Hey, Tuna here, and this is how to change the cabin or passenger air filter on your Chevy Sonic. Start by getting in the passenger side of your Sonic. Locate and open the glove box. Look over to the right side. You'll see where the dampener connects to the glove box. Pinch the attachment point and disconnect the dampener. Unseat the hinges by reaching underneath the door on the right and pull toward you. Do the same thing for the left side. Rotate or squeeze the glove box so that the compartment stops. Clear the sides. Here's what you should see behind the glove box. To remove the filter, push in the release tabs on both sides and swing the cover up. I'd like to point out some filters have a special direction of flow. For these, make sure the arrows point down as shown here. Pull out the old filter. This time around, I went with a washable K&N filter. To install it, simply insert it into the compartment with the removal tab facing outward, and the arrows, if present, facing down. Close the lid and press both sides, listening for an audible click to lock it in. Angle the glove box in so the stops clear the sides. Position the bottom so the hinges are in contact. Here is what it looks like from the underside. Back up top, press the hinges in. You'll hear and feel them seat. Reattach the dampener. If it is retracted, you may need to extend it with some pliers. Then, pop it over the stud. Close the glove box and you're all done. Thanks for watching.